Hi, thanks for hangout. Today in this video, I will show you how you can set up your Siri for different languages and styles and change the country language. So before wasting time, let's go to the iPhone screen. So I'm JD Tech setting first and then go below and find Siri and search, and this is the settings of Siri. So first first option is listen for. So Siri or Hey Siri, if you go here and you will see Siri or Hey Siri. So this is call for Siri, right? So and also simple Hey Siri, right? So if you just tap on this, if you say Hey Siri, so Siri will come on the screen. So if you say Siri simply, like Siri or Siri, yeah. So this is settings. This is a male setting actually. So otherwise, if you say Hey Siri, so it will comes out. So okay, so let's go here. If you simply mention Hey Siri, Hey Siri, yeah, so you can do it off. And okay, so I want to let Siri or Hey Siri. Okay, so you can call simply Siri and you can also say Hey Siri. Okay, let's go below, and then you can also see there is a press side button for Siri. So if you turn it on, so the side button is this lock button, so if you click this one and Siri will comes on screen. But this is now old fashioned style. But because you have already simply say Siri and Hey Siri, so it will come on the screen, so and help you out. So languages, so go to languages, and before go to languages, there is another option, allow Siri when locked. So this is very good option. It should be turned on every time, because you want Siri anytime, so it should be on. If you don't want to allow Siri in on position, lock position, so just turn off this option. Okay, languages, so this is go below here. It's English Canada, English India, and every languages you can set. And then Siri voices. Okay, so you can do it Indian.
Hi, I'm Siri.
So
Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
okay, so this is a kind of Indian style, so it's downloading. I never been this style, so that's why it's downloading. If you see here and the bottom below is 67% is in the process, right? So let it download first. So yeah, it's downloaded, and now Indian setting is on in the Siri. Hey Siri, hey Siri,
Hmm?
what is the weather in Winnipeg? Yes, so okay, okay, it's a British
Hi,
Siri.
I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
So this is a kind of different languages, so now it's British downloading on the screen. So it's just demonstration for you guys, how can you use voices and switch over voices. Okay, so let's do the Australian.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Okay, so it's now Australian is downloading. So probably Australian. Okay, so let's do the voice 2 here.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
So in Australian there is a male and a female, right? So this is a female. Okay, let it download first.
Hi, I'm Siri.
Yeah, this
Choose
is
the voice you'd like me to use.
this is male.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
This is female. So
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
okay, now I hit Indian again, but the before was a male downloaded, and now it's downloading for a female also. So let it finish first. So the female option voice has been downloaded. Okay, so
Hi, I'm Siri.
Hi, I'm Siri.
yeah,
Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
both are downloaded. So
Hi, I'm Siri.
I went
Choose the
to
voice you'd like me to use.
I went to American back, so this is my default. So you have 5 different styles of voices. So
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
one.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Number 2 is downloading. I never been downloaded this, so this is for your demonstrations. and let it download first. It looks like heavy files downloading. 98%. Okay, it's done. So number 3.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
This is already downloaded.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
So this is actually the default one, so I used the most.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
So number 5 is also downloading. Okay, all voices are downloaded in American variety voices.
Hi, I'm Siri.
So
Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Hi, I'm Siri.
this is
Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
this is my default. Okay, let's go back. Those were the Siri voices, right? So you can choose whatever you want. And if you want to do an English scanner India, so it demonstrates you here, like it will tell you the grammars and everything according to India, right? So okay, so Siri responsive. If you go here, prefer Siri responsive and automatic, prefer spoken responsive. Siri will use on-device intelligence to speak automatically determine when you speak, right? So in iOS 17, Siri is constantly stays with you to listen and figure out you are asking Siri or talking just normally. So these are the options. So prefer silent responses like that. So always Siri captions show what Siri says on screen. So also like the captions on the screen, like if I turn it on. Hey Siri,
Mm-hmm.
how are you? Yeah, so this is a caption. So thank you Siri. Okay, so thank you Siri. Okay, so always show speech. Show a transcript of your speech on screen. Hey Siri.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so now you will see my transcripts on screen. So yeah, see, she is listening. So thank you Siri. Yeah, so you can have that. Bye bye. Bye bye Siri. Yeah, so now it disappeared because I will demonstrate you different options. So she will continue listening to me. So I don't want to bother Siri, take a rest Siri. Okay, so these are the options. Go back again and call up for hang up. Call hang up. So if you turn on this option, so when you have a call from somebody, so then you can say Siri, call hang up. So Siri will disconnect the call. Okay, so this is the option. You can turn on announce call. So this is a general option, like phone will announce every call, who is calling you, blah blah blah. Okay, and announce calls. So my information, so you can set your information, like if you have a contact and Rana, Rana, right? So this is Rana, me, see. So I am already setting here. If you go in the contacts here and then mention Rana, find Rana, so you will see here this is Rana, my number and my information. So you have your contacts feed into your phone box, so then you can active your that contact into Siri settings, like here my information here. So then Siri will call you with your name. So these are the Siri dictations and histories, so you can delete whatever you spoken with Siri and asked question, and she replied to you and he replied to you. So finally, so automatically send messages. So this option is like if you want to send messages quickly, without Siri asking you to confirm before sending, right? So automatically send the messages before confirmation. Like sometimes Siri asks you to confirm, and is it I go like, hey Siri, call, um, like send the message to whom, blah blah blah, that option. So you can turn on this option. So if you read here, to send messages quickly without Siri asking you to confirm before sending, turn on automatically send messages. So okay, so for example, hey Siri, send
Uh-huh.
send the messages to SJR Canada. Yeah, so this is SJR Canada. Hey, where are you right now? Okay.
Your mess.
Okay, thank you, Siri. Okay, if I turn on this option, and it will tell you the different option: headphones, CarPlay. Also, when connected to these options, so you can even turn off these options. So if you don't want to send messages over the headphone and CarPlay, hey Siri, send the message to SJR. Where are you? See, so the message is going through. So I just simply said, where are you? So it went through, right? So the, the like process screen was displayed, and send button was on, and then send the message, right? Thank you, Siri. Thank you, Siri, for helping me out. Okay, so if you turn off this option, hey Siri, send the message SSJR. Where are you, Siri? Send it. Thank you, Siri. Yeah, so this message is didn't send. I said send it. I will check the message of this number where I have like send the messages. So is it gone through or not? But for sure, the other message, when I turn on this option to send the message to the whom you are sending, right? So it definitely went through because I saw the process progress line. So the message went through. So this is very nice feature in Siri, right? So if you do go down, like show suggestions, it will show you suggestion in search, and do this. Like you can turn off these option if you don't want to, and reset the suggestion buttons, show recent, like it will tell you which app or the content you searched recently. It will search from the phone and tell you on top, right? So there are other options. So okay, so I hope you like this video on the Siri topic, how you can customize Siri, and then different languages and different English styles, and also the voices and responses, send automatic messages, call, hang up, lots of options, lots of options in Siri. So I hope you like this video, gives thumbs up, and then leave me a comment below, and then if you have any question, so you can leave in the comments below. Thanks for watching my video, and see you next video, and I hope you will like it. So there's nice weather outside. It's not nice actually, but looks nice in the background, but it's so cold. It's -30, with wind chill is -35 right now in Canada. It's Winnipeg. So thanks for hang out. See you next time. Bye bye.